Bro, I'm literally about to start recording. Look at this horny bastard, bro. Yo, get out of my car, bro. What do you want to help me install this or what? Oh my god, I don't even know whose cat this is, but I don't know what the fuck this fool's doing. This fool's showering right here. Watch him attack me right now, boys. Loki don't want to get attacked, bro. Oh shit, he's looking right at me. He looks calm though. There's no snacks here, bruh. Hey! Hold up, let me lock the door. Bruh, I'm going in, bro. Watch this fool attack me. I'm not getting attacked. Hold up. This is what I'm putting on today, boys. I'll show you right now. Oh, let's see what the fuck. Yo! Get out of here, bruh! I think he looks mad, bruh. Oh no, he's actually kind of cool. Oh shit. Get off, bruh! I think he's kind of calm. I try to fucking do the alarm to get him off, bruh. Oh, guys, look. I cut my own hair, bruh. Don't even look at it, bruh, because it's not going to be the cleanest cut. All right, you know what? He looks pretty chill. I'm going to just leave him there for now. You probably have fleas, though, to be honest. Bro, that means get the fuck out of the car! Nah, he looks chill. Alright, whatever. We'll leave him on there for now. Let me show you guys what I got. I'm pretty excited for these. It's nothing like major, you know, but like it's something cool, you know. Let me show you. Hold on. Let me open it real quick. Let me open this up, boys. Oh, I don't want to ruin these because oh, they look so nice, bruh. Oh, try and guess. Oh, this fool's dipped. Try and guess what it is, boys. It looks so clean. Oh, sheesh. Oh, hell yeah. These look clean. You all ready? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, shit. I thought someone was there. Awkward. Nah, but we're chilling. Let me show you. Oh. I'm getting the sun with it, though. I got some carbon fiber mirror caps, bruh. Real carbon, too, I'm guessing. Because this shit, or like at least the fucking outside of it, bruh. Because damn. This shit looks so clean, bro. I'm gonna definitely need some more carbon parts. I fell in love with carbon. What can I say? What side is this on? Oh, this is this side. The main reason why is because mine are kind of scuffed up a bit. Actually, the other side is way more. See, the previous owner kind of fucked them up, so I mean, I could get them repainted and shit, but I gotta get some carbon accents on this girl, bruh. I feel like this shit's about to look clean. I'm about to swap these out real quick and I'll show you guys pretty much the end of it, the end product type shit. Check it out though. Put the first one on. Don't worry, I'll show you guys the second one on like how to do it type thing. But yo, this thing looks clean, bruh. Got the mirror, it all works, everything is good. God damn, when the sun hits it, it looks nice. Compared to, I don't know if you guys can really see it still. You guys see the difference? These definitely go off. Cause then look at this one. I mean, this one's cool too, but it's scuffed up. It's broken from right here. You guys think this is cool or not? Yo, I fucking love it, bro. It looks so sick. I'm gonna definitely need some more carbon, bro. Oh my god. This fool is really pulling up on a kid. Oh my god. What are you doing? I gotta go right now? Why? Because they want me to move the car already. Oh, wait, look at it. Look at it. I did one though. I filtered it, to be honest with you. I was looking at that one right now. It looks hella shiny, huh? That shit is good. It looks racing shit. Just because I can gap your ass? It actually looks good though, huh? Car, nigga. I could get you in this car. Oh my god. Hold on, let me close the windows then. Oh, my Uber's here. God damn. Oh my god. Damn, look at this seat is hella straight up. Straight up. It's because this nigga Ramon was fucking. Ramon was not sitting here, bro. He would never sit like that. He put it, when he put it back, he put it all weird. Oh, did you see my haircut? Yes. Oh shit. What to do? I fuck with it.
I think you should slick it back though, to be honest with you.
Well, I mean, I'm gonna have the hat on most of the time though, but it didn't come out too bad, huh?
I forgot you fucking. You don't even have to fucking take it out.
It didn't come out too bad, I don't think.
It did not.
I was just like, fuck it.
What the fuck is that? Nigga didn't even go off the top.
Size 10. I did go off the top. What?
How much?
Hella, dude. It was hella long. It was like this long on the top. It was like the bag on the top. What the hell? This fool really thought I did not do much. I did too much, I think. Nah, I just got the 10 guard. I was going with it at first because I was like, I don't want it too short. But then I was like, nah, that's still kind of long. So then I went.
Nigga said.
I want to fuck it.
Why didn't you do the back? Or did you do the back?
Nah, because I want the little mullet vibe. You know what I'm saying? For the hat and shit.
Like Ramon.
This fool's quarantine. Or how do you say that? Quarantine?
Quarantine.
Quarantined. He's in quarantine pretty much till the fucking 24th, bruh. That's why he wasn't with me right now doing the fucking side mirrors.
And then, dude, if I had the sickness, it would have been less days.
That makes no sense to me.
No, it doesn't to me either. I was like, what the fuck?
Like, what the fuck is?
So if I was sick, it would have been only 10 days. But since I'm not sick, it's 15. What?
That's hella fucked, dude. Because like they're just taking your money, your days.
I know, and I don't even get paid. That's some bullshit, bro. What the fuck?
You better not. Hey, you better not masturbate, fool. Because niggas gonna get horny with not. Because you're not gonna be doing. You're gonna be chilling at home, nigga. You're gonna get horny for sure. The other day, boys, I was so fucking horny.
I don't even do it like that no more, to be honest with you.
If you do, just call me, dude. But I don't know, because you might call me and then you might even get more turned on.
That's what I was thinking.
Sus!
Right now.
Nah.
That's exactly what I was thinking about right now.
Because the other day I was fucking mad horny, dude. I survived. I just started doing push-ups.
I cannot sometimes. When I get too horny, nigga, the horny takes over, nigga.
Yeah, it does. You just gotta fight it, though. That goes to all of y'all, too, bro. This fool Misa just told me what car he's getting. Y'all are not even gonna expect it, bro. Once y'all see it, you're gonna be like, what the fuck type of shit is this? Wait, are you guys getting rid of Lexi then?
No, we're still gonna get it.
What? Oh shit, dude. Oh, what the fuck? Wait, is it gonna be?
It's gonna be mine.
Oh, really? Oh, what the fuck? That's sick, nigga.
Oh, me on.
That's gonna be hella clean.
I got the real-wheel drive version too, nigga.
Oh my god.
I said, fuck all-wheel drive. Fuck all-wheel drive.
You're letting them. Don't tell them, bro. Don't tell them. Boys, check it out. Got the second one on. Looks clean as well. Let me know what you guys think, bruh. This shit low-key goes off. Like in person, like they just pop. Definitely gonna need some more carbon in the on the car. No more. Oh yeah, you guys remember the little air ducts I did? I wrapped those. Wrap is gonna be taken off. Only real carbon now, boys. I'm a real carbon guy, you know what I'm saying? Probably can gap. I can probably gap somebody else now, especially with this weight reduction, bro. God damn. This shit came out cool. It looks cool. If you guys wonder where I got it, I think it was on Modded Euros. It's like 150 bucks. Honestly, it's worth it. It looks sick. Yo, that shit just pops, bruh. I don't know if you guys can even see it from this far, but if y'all can, then golly. My car got a little bit dirty, boys. You can just ignore the dirtiness. But don't ignore these. Oh, shoot. Yeah, these look... Oh, my God. Then they're so smooth with it, too. Definitely some cool. Definitely gonna need more, as I'm saying. Wait for Misa's car reveal. Holy shoot. I caught me off guard. Or caught me off guard, I should say. I was like, what the fuck? It's gonna be cool, though. It's gonna be cool. the carbon side mirrors. I could probably gap people like that are a little bit above 500 now, I think. So it'll probably be a close one, but I'll still probably get the W. Other than that, boys, I appreciate you guys watching the video, boys. I appreciate all the support lately, bruh. It's been going crazy. That's what's up, boys. We're gonna keep going at it with the videos and everything. They're fun to make. They're cool to make. They're fun to go, oh shit, this fool wants to get run over. That's what this fool wants. But appreciate all that, boys. Stay tuned for the next. You guys might be like, oh my god, when you see the next video. But just, I'm not even gonna say like a little hint. I'm just gonna say that. That's all I'm gonna say for the next video. Cause that's all. Cause if I say more, it might give something away. So, and wait for Risa's car reveal. I was shook. I was shook. I was like, what the fuck? That's cool though. It's gonna be something cool. Something you guys are not even gonna guess it, bro. Don't even try guessing it right now. Actually, try guessing it in the comments. If you get it right, I probably won't say nothing, just so you know the suspense is still there when he actually reveals it. You know, so stay tuned for that too. Don't even try. Leo guys won't guess it. It was fucking like you actually can't guess it. Like it's weird. It's not even that it's weird. It's just you guys won't guess it. Cause that's all I'm saying. Fuck, bro. Just chill. But thanks for watching, boys. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.
You see that 5%?
Dude.
A 5, bro.
5?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, 30. I just seen it.
Yes, 30.
Ew. My haircut? I went bald with it.
It's cool with the mullet. You like it or not?
Yeah, I like it. It's not too bad.
Looks cool with the hat.
I'll probably let this grow up again, like normal, and then just keep doing the taper. I was just like, fuck it. I was like 10 with it against it, or no, with it. So I was like, not too sure, but then I was like, nah, fuck it.
You should do it shorter, see how it looks.
No, hell no. Shorter will be too much.
It looks sick though. I like the.
Oh, thank you.
I like the mullet.
Look at the taper. It's not that good, but this side is way harder to look at.
I know.
In the mirror? Yeah, you're breaking your fucking neck.
You like the fucking thing.
I have mine open, but I didn't use my hand mirror. I should have used my hand mirror.
I don't do the back too. The back is hard.
Oh no, I didn't do the back. But yeah, I mean you don't even need the back since you're going for the mullet, no?
Yeah.
That's that. But I mean I liked it. It was cool. It was fun.
To take hair?
Yeah. Scare cam. Ah! Oh shit! Yo, look what I found though. Cookies. Hey! Calm.
I can't even eat those. I'm gonna die.
Oh my, yo, come on, get out. What? Imagine playing Clash Royale. Oh, someone. Red light. Hey, give me my fucking cookies, bruh.
I didn't tell you about the cookies, nigga?
Yeah, because there was 2. There's a full bag. Get the fuck out. God damn, you have every fucking window open. Scare cam part 2. Ah! Part 2. Double the trouble.
Look, you want to get chewed.
No. I got the rubbing alcohol.
You better buy some snacks.
No, fuck.
Why are you laughing, bro? Why is this nigga laughing, bro?
Oh my god.
Nigga wants to get sucked.
Hey, did the alcohol actually help? Or you don't know yet?
You have to wait a couple hours for themselves.
Sorry, doctor. Subscribe.